The Structures section is only available to admin users through the Structure button on the navigation bar because it allows us to create and manage processes, activities, and elements of the knowledge base. Let's see what the Process and Activities buttons do. The Processes buttons opens the Processes section where you can create new processes by clicking on the New button on the toolbar, introducing the title of the process and its description and clicking on Save. Here you can also manage processes. For this we have to select a process. So we click on the Search button and then we choose a process by clicking on the corresponding process code or searching for it, entering a search criteria, and then we can edit it by clicking on the Edit button on the toolbar, changing the information we want to change, and then clicking on Save. It is worth mentioning that a process cannot be deleted if it has activities associated to it. The Activities button opens the Activities section where we can create new activities by clicking on the New button on the toolbar, introducing the title of the activity, the duration, the description, and selecting the process that it will belong to, and then clicking on Save. Here we can also manage activities. For this we must first select an activity, so we click on the Search button and then we choose an activity either by clicking on its code out of the list or entering a search criteria and then clicking on the corresponding code. Once an activity is selected, we can edit it by clicking on the Edit button on the toolbar, changing any of the details, and then clicking on Save. And we can also delete it by clicking on the Delete button on the toolbar. It's worth mentioning that GBS provides a basic value chain integrated within the platform with the standard processes and activities relevant to any type of business within any industry. The idea is that we can start adding tasks and using the platform straight away, but also have the option to customize our own value chain with specific processes and activities that are of interest to our company in particular.